At Phonak, we look to going beyond the status quo, what everyone else is doing, and going beyond our customers' expectations. This is why we have launched our Going Beyond with Phonak program, which is aligned to our value of striving for excellence. It is our philosophy, our passion. Two of the areas where we have been investing in our Going Beyond are, number one, the quality of our products. We want to ensure that we provide reliable products that your patients need, so life is on always. And number two, we care about the expertise we deliver to you, both from an audiological perspective as well as the business and marketing viewpoint. So let's hear more about these two pillars.
When I was in clinic, I loved when manufacturers launched a new hearing aid. It was a time where I got to learn what the next step in audiological performance would be and how it would help my patients. Now that I've been with Phonak for almost 20 years, I'm still passionate about delivering patients better hearing aids. Nonetheless, I see it in a new way. Patients demand and deserve reliable hearing aids. Our products are tested for thousands of hours, and with every new product feature and every new product launch, additional testing gets added and executed. We do hardware and software testing as well as testing of the My Phonak app, because it is important to test the whole system. This is the foundation of quality and robust products you and your patients rely on. We have 3 quality checks in our manufacturing process. We visually and functionally test, we check the device against the customer order form, and we perform acoustic testing using our unique Pro & Go system. Pro & Go ensures that the hearing instruments are meeting ANSI standards. Lastly, we do randomized, out-of-the-box audits on new orders. This ensures that everything is correct from start to finish. Your feedback is so valuable. We place a high standard on it. You are our eyes and ears in the market. You tell us what's working and what's not. You tell us what's needed. Sometimes customer feedback is seen through the raw data, like repair and remake rates. We review those as well as software and app analytics. We share these insights and your feedback with our colleagues around the world so we can all work together to resolve the unexpected. We use both your qualitative feedback and these quantitative metrics to go beyond with quality. We are striving for excellence on the products you're fitting today and the ones to come.
Working closely with many hearing care professionals for over a dozen years, I know how much reliability matters in a clinic. And I'm just as passionate about helping your patients to live a life without limits as you are. While this is part of our vision statement, it truly comes to life in our commitment to innovation, scientific evidence, and clinical expertise. And in over a decade with Phonak, I've come to learn that our commitment to supporting our customers goes beyond product and clinical expertise. We also help you grow your practice and develop business knowledge. Scientific evidence, white papers, or product-related studies most likely come to mind when you think of a manufacturer's expertise. But did you know that since 2008, Phonak has conducted a benchmarking survey to understand business trends and insights within the hearing industry? The information gathered allows us to help you implement best practices in your business. So while our clinical trainers help you apply best practices for fitting hearing instruments, your Phonak team can also help you enact best-in-class practices to help you run your business. Your relationship with us begins with your Phonak account managers, who are well-versed on Phonak products and services to deliver both clinical and business expertise. As part of our commitment to continuous improvement, a Phonak representative's ongoing training includes industry insights, marketing services, and business solutions. With all of the marketing and business services we offer, our reps have more potential to support your success. Many of these services are available for any Phonak customer. And for those customers who want even more support navigating the ever-evolving hearing healthcare environment, we offer our partnership program with more in-depth versions of our marketing and business tools.
When customers partner with us, we want their practices to be going beyond with Phonak. We're truly excited about this program, and I hope we continue going beyond your expectations. To learn more about this program, reach out to your Phonak representative.